Funky brush.
Hey guys, welcome to my super short tutorial on the Shape Builder tool. Today we're going to learn how to combine shapes as well as remove different parts of shapes. I'll show you. Let's get started. To activate the Shape Builder tool, you can select the shapes that you would like to adjust here. And then on the left side, you'll hover over here and you'll see Shape Builder tool. I like to hit Shift M to activate the Shape Builder tool. Say Shape Builder tool 10 times fast. Shape Builder tool, 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 Shape Builder tool. So anything where the shadow effect happens when you hover over it is going to be affected by the tool. So for example, if we make our color blue over here, and if I click this space, it will turn blue. If I click and drag from space to space, the two will combine. If you hold down the Alt key and click on a space, it will go away. So if we don't want these extra bits, we just want that interior squiggle, hold down Alt and make those go away. The other thing you can do is drag it through multiple shapes. Anything this line touches will turn to gold. I'm kidding. It'll just combine into the shape. So the last trick that I'll give you guys is if you hold down the Shift key, you'll create a box, and anything the box touches will just become part of that shape. So if we select everything, it'll just make one big silhouette for us. So anyways, I hope that answers any questions you guys may have had about the Shape Builder tool. Feel free to ask me any questions you want in the comments below. If you want to ask me any questions live, I stream 3 days a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on Twitch. I hope that's everything you guys needed to know about the Shape Builder tool today. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time.